Okay guys, so we're going to make some soursop and coconut ice cream. So these are the ingredients that we're going to use in order to make our soursop and coconut ice cream. Now this is not going to be a non-dairy ice cream because I am going to use condensed milk. However, check in the description below. I will have a link for a video that I did in making soursop ice cream non-dairy, so be sure to check that out. Okay, so here I have about 2 3/4 cups of coconut milk. I have a tin here of condensed milk. I have my soursop. In here I have 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of almond essence, and a dash of Angostura bitters. So this is what we're going to use in order to make our soursop and coconut ice cream. So let's get to putting everything together.